Hey, it's Tony Harrington here from Your Property Investing. Great to have you on board. Listen, this little exercise here is what's called my cash flow calculator. So what I want you to do is get a real understanding of all your income. So see the columns over here, just type in your income. So that's your net weekly income. If you've got a partner, put your partner's income, any tax return incomes, family payments, any of those sort of things. List your incomes in this column here. Come over to this side over here, you're going to see over here, you're going to list your weekly expenses, so map all those out. The top column I've got here, it's what's called pay yourself first. So I want you to start a savings plan, $10 a week, $20 a week, $100 a week, whatever it is. It's what's called build yourself a cash cushion. So in here, in this example, I've got $100 in here. So go and list your regular weekly expenses through that column there. Go down here, we've got monthly expenses like your mortgage, your mobile phone plans, all those sort of things there. List those there. Go down here a little bit further, you'll go down into your quarterly expenses, gas, electricity, water, etc., etc. So just type those in. Again, put the thing in here, it'll break it down into the weekly amount there for you. You don't have to work it out. And then your yearly expenses, so things like car rego, insurances, holidays, health insurances, home insurances, all those sorts of things. Type all those down in here. And then what we'll find at the bottom of this, it'll give us a calculation. You don't have to work this out, it'll do it for you. So the income that we've got coming in every week there is around 2,300 and something. Over here we're looking at around about, put my glasses on, wait a tick, $1,950 here in weekly expenses. So in this example you'll see a surplus of $366 per week, right? Now that's a monthly cash flow of $1,585 and it's a yearly cash flow of $19,000. But also, right, the pay yourself first, that was the $100 that I showed you up here, the 100 I typed in there, that's listed as an expense. So now you just take that, and that's 5,200 per year. That gives you a total of 24,245 surplus cash flow that you could use to pay off your home, get rid of any debts that you may have, use a bit of surplus money to invest, how to put it into property, maybe put a bit into your super, whatever that may be. But it's to give us a really, really clear snapshot of exactly where you sit. Now, the next thing I want you to do once you've completed it, go back through all your listed expenses and see, is there any way you can reduce any of those expenses, cut back on anything there where you might be wasting a bit of money. There's a column up here, it's called gambling, tass lotto, pokies, right? Like even $20 a week, that's another $1,000 a year that you've got surplus. So go through that and fill that page out. Come down here and tick on the balance sheet. Click on this. This gives us a snapshot of all your assets, so your home, your superannuation, anything you own, household items, etc. But also your liabilities. So we want to know, hey, what sort of debts do you have? Any mortgages, any personal loans, etc., etc. And we'll get that figure down here. There's your total assets. There's your total liabilities. That gives you a net balance over there of 410 grand. Folks, it's really simple, really easy to do. If you've got young teenage kids and they want to learn how to save money, just type in here and, just put, if they're going to save $200 a week, in we go, 3% interest rate. That'll show somebody, if they save that for 4 years, how much they'll have. So that's a compound interest calculator. But back over here to this page, folks, if you're doing this with me or you're part of one of my programs, fill this in, email it back to me. We'll do a cash flow review for you and we'll see where we can help you save more money, make more money and do better with the money that you're currently earning, okay? All right, folks, that's it for now. Hop to it and I look forward to talking to you again soon and checking out your results, okay? All right, have a great day.